How to set iPhone medical ID. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can actually set up your iPhone medical ID. So just go ahead and open this app called Health on your iPhone. Do that. You can actually do this through the settings, but this is a better way of doing it, guys. So go ahead and click on your profile. If you have never used this application, guys, it's going to just prompt you straight forward to where you can actually set up your medical ID. And click on where it says medical ID. So when you click on that, guys, click on where it says edit, and then you should go ahead and put in the right information, guys. Don't lie about this, guys. So just go ahead and put in the right information, guys. As you can see, your date of birth, your medical condition if you have any medical notes, any allergies or reaction, your blood type, your organs, your weight, your height, your primary language, and then most importantly, guys, your emergency contact. So why this is important is because when you have an emergency, guys, your phone is actually locked. I can't do that because I'm screen recording, so I can't actually lock my phone. But your phone is locked. Let's assume your phone is locked. Anybody who could access your phone could only just go ahead and click the power button and the volume button together. When the person does that, as you can see, guys, it's showing your medical ID there. Even if your phone is locked, your medical ID can be accessed. So when the person just scroll here, all your information about your medical ID, your medical information is going to display for the person to be able to help you, guys. So this is very important, especially for those that actually lock their phones. So in case you're in any emergency, anyone could actually access your medical ID. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.